Yup, mail came today. I got a bunch of things coming, so they're finally coming in pieces. So we'll get to this box later, but first, gotta run some errands. So I'm back. Let's check out this box. So this is like a little add-on product. You know, when you buy stuff on Amazon, every once in a while you catch an add-on. So I got a deal on this, a couple bucks. My headlights aren't bad, but could always be better. So we'll check out this restoration kit. Also got my Chemical Guys clay kit. The car is pretty clean, the paint's in good condition, but it's still got some spots on it. So I got the OG clay bar. I didn't need anything heavy duty, so thinking this should work pretty good. Then I also got the Chemical Guys cherry detailing spray. I generally keep the car very clean, so with the detailing spray, I think it should come in handy as long as it works pretty good. I've heard good reviews on it. Cane package really nice. You don't have to worry about it leaking over everything. There's a couple towels in there. Nothing fancy, but the car sitting in the shade, should be cooled off shortly, and then we'll get into you know, starting to prep it for the clay. I washed it yesterday. I drove today for maybe an hour, so in Brooklyn traffic that means I went 12 miles maybe total. Shouldn't be too dirty, but you know, I'm still gonna wipe it down a little bit and then we'll start claying. All right, so we're wiping the excess off now. Just kind of want to show how clean it's really getting this paint. You know, we just went across that. I haven't even really finished wiping it off good, and it's day and night. It's even better in person, but you know, cameras will do what cameras do. And I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. This is great. So we'll continue the car. You don't need to see the whole car. It's the same process, all four corners. And we'll pick it up after I'm done. All right. So now you can see the line of where I kind of stopped. So this is nice and buttery smooth. Step across the line. Still can't really pick up too many details, but you can still see what I'm getting at. So this is the finished product. I even hit the windshield too, just because there was a lot of crap on there that I didn't get off. And it actually worked really well. But finished product, I think everything looks great. A lot better. I'll get it out in some sunlight later on, probably nighttime under some lights, and see how it looks. But yeah, it's a lot better. All right, so while we were cleaning, something else came from Amazon. I'm betting it's my Chemical Guys butter wax. I also forgot to mention, yeah, earlier, this is what I went and picked up from the dealership. This and a couple of refills for the air freshener. All right, so since this is an old towel I had, and that's the one that ended up claying the car with, those are now gonna be wheel towels or rags or whatever. So I just kind of gently used a card and put them between the bumper and the headlight. Worked perfect. And now we're gonna set this up. So this comes with a lubricant spray. See what else is in here. A sealant to use afterwards. The actual restoring, I guess, whatever you want to call it, the restore. and there's 3 different pads, I guess different grits of sandpaper. So let's get to work. So after polishing pad number 1 and number 2, it's a nice good haze over the whole thing. It's really smooth though. So I tried to get as much as those, because I know this right here is just the main problem area. Try to get as much out as I could. So right now, I'm just hoping this really works. You know, down in here in this little corner, it's a little hard to get to because this looks like trash, but still got to hit it with polishing pad number 3. The actual correction, I guess, solution, and then seal it. So about halfway done. All right, so now we're supposed to apply the restorer to the headlight using a microfiber towel that it came with, and applying a circular motion. I didn't mention earlier, but pad 1 you go diagonal, pad 2 horizontal or vertical, pad 3 back to diagonal. Obviously some of these areas is hard to get going that way, and also I realized, you know, my towels weren't working as good as I thought they were. There's enough of a lip right here to where if I put my pinky under the pad, I can guard my bumper with my hand. So that worked out. Just a tip for at least E90s. So this is what it looks like before I put the sealant on there. I'm really hoping this sealant is what brings the clarity back, because right now, again, this still looks like trash. So that's what it looks like. And this is what the other one looks like. So let's hope the sealant is what does it. All right guys, so I might have spoke too soon. I put some more of the sealant on there and just really scrub. Damn. Okay, now it's crystal clear. That's crazy. Yeah, you just gotta put some elbow into it and keep applying. But oh yeah, that definitely worked. So I'm gonna keep massaging this in, and hopefully I get a real clear product. The conclusion of the day, I tried out the Chemical Guys products. So first with the clay, with the OG clay bar, worked fantastic. The butter wax, I put that on my headlights after I did the Rain-X restoration, which worked out pretty good. The wax wrung it out a little bit more, and then I hit it with the speed wipe. I got mixed feelings about the speed wipe. Oh yeah, so I hit half the back seat with the leather cleaning kit, or the leather care set from BMW. It was 23 bucks. Once we get some daylight, I'll show you guys. So I'm not quite sure how I like the cherry spray, the speed wipe. You can see there's streaks and stuff right there, but overall it was good. The headlights, they look alright. Can't really see with them on, but yeah. All right, so the UPS driver, he's getting his overtime in tonight, but I just got a nice box from FCP. Yep, there it is. 5 liters of liquid moly. Should be 2 more quarts, or liters, I forgot this is European. 2 more liters. Yup. Man filter and a fresh windshield strip. There we go. Get that stuff happening tomorrow, I guess. It's supposed to rain, but I'll find somewhere to change oil and dry. So appreciate it, FCP.